The moon looks epic, but I'm gonna try and take a photo of it. I can try and show you, but I doubt you'll be able to see anything. Yeah, you can't see it, but it's just there. It looks amazing. I'm gonna try and take a photo of it. We tried. Didn't come out as nice as I thought it would, but we tried to actually get a longer lens. But look at this weird effect this camera has. Look at what the lens does. You see it has this little round circle thing. It's because this lens is actually not meant for this camera, because it's a full frame camera, so. But yeah, we'll edit it and then it'll look good, I hope. Also, my idea was to come here this morning to kind of get like a really nice sunrise. But there's no sunrise. The sun is gone. Okay, so I'm watching this video right now and editing it. Just wanted to interrupt quickly and say I just realized when I was trying to take this photo, I didn't really think about this, and I don't know why, but there's an app that tells you exactly when the sun rises and when it sets and when it'll be like on the horizon when you can see it. And I had that app on my phone. I just completely forgot about it. It is called Photo Pulse. Let's see if you can see it there. It is this one right here, that one. And it'll tell you, look here, it'll tell you exactly, you can click on there, and then it tells you exactly when is golden hour, when the sun will rise, when the sun will set. All that information is right here. There it shows you when it'll be on the horizon, when it's at its highest, when it'll set. I don't know why I didn't think of this. I just had to pause the video, let you know there is an app that can help you. So next time I try and do a photo like this, just gotta remind myself to use that app. Back to the video. Well, not gone, but there's just no sunrise. I don't know if it's, maybe it'll still come up. Like, there's nothing. Hopefully we'll get something. We'll just sit here another few minutes and then we see what we get. It's so cold that the front part of my lens is actually fogged up. Look at that. You probably can't see it, but it's completely fogged up and I can't get a nice photo. I'll try and show you. Look at that. Like, it's so foggy because of the front element on the lens. Totally fogged up from the cold. And it's not really that cold, but it's pretty cold.
You don't bring it so close to my face.
Okay, so we got a nice sunrise. Not the best. I was hoping for better, but the hype is over now, so just gonna pack up and then head inside and edit this footage. Ah!